A political row has erupted after Congress leader Udit Raj compared LOP Rahul Gandhi to Ambedkar and said that all OBCs must back Rahul Gandhi as he could be what he called the second Ambedkar. Now, following this comment by the Congress leader, the BJP has swiftly attacked the party and said that the Congress has insulted Ambedkar and must look for another Nehru instead of trying to tarnish Ambedkar's legacy. Let's in fact have a look at what Shehzad Poonawala had to say on this.
अंबेडकर जी का अपमान, दलितों का अपमान, यही बन चुकी है कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान। कांग्रेस पार्टी के उदित राज कहते हैं कि राहुल गांधी दूसरे अंबेडकर साबित होंगे। अरे भाई, पहले और ओरिजिनल और एक ही अंबेडकर जो इस देश में हैं, संविधान निर्माता, उनको अपमानित करने का काम किसने किया? और गजब की बात है कि परिवारजनों ने, पूर्वजों ने अंबेडकर जी का विरोध किया, चुनाव हराया। अब बनना है दूसरा अंबेडकर, दूसरा नेहरू नहीं बनना, दूसरा इंदिरा नहीं बननी। तो इसका मतलब साफ है कि नेहरू और इंदिरा गलत पथ पर थे। आज ये खुद परिवार स्वीकार रहा है। ये इनके तर्क है, ये इनकी परिवार भक्ति में अंबेडकर जी के और एससी समाज के अपमान करने की कोई भी जो चांस है उसको नहीं छोड़ते।
Well, of course, we have my colleague Anushka joining us on the broadcast. Anushka, this isn't the first time that we have seen the government and, of course, the opposition lock horns over Ambedkar's legacy. Previously as well, in the winter session of the parliament, there had been widespread debate with respect to, the rightful heir of Ambedkar's legacy. Now, what is the latest that we are tracking on this story?
That's right, Reet. We are seeing a fresh political standoff between the BJP and the Congress. That the Congress party leader Udit Raj has recently said that the OBC community should rally behind Rahul Gandhi because he is going to be the next Ambedkar. But on this, the BJP has in fact also hit back at the Congress, saying why doesn't he want to find, the Congress party doesn't want to find another Nehru and why not another Indira, because this is an ongoing issue between the BJP and the Congress. Ambedkar still remains the highly contested icon that the BJP and the Congress is in fact also contesting for. The BJP has in fact also said that the Congress party has multiple time allegedly insulted Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar multiple times, and that they should not be saying all these things to just downplay Ambedkar's legacy, and Rahul Gandhi should in fact check himself twice before saying that it is the BJP who is not giving the OBC community a decent chance to in fact thrive in the in the current stature of the society. What Rahul Gandhi did was yesterday at Talkatora Stadium, when he was in fact addressing Bahujan Nyay Bhagidari, he had said that the Congress party was in fact, it was not the Congress party who is at fault, but it was Rahul Gandhi who did not know the whole history of the the OBC community, and that is why he had not fought as hard before. But now he has in fact also said that he will be doing everything in his power to do a caste census, and on this he had said that the BJP is the party who is in fact right now not that much inclined to do a lot of work for the OBC community, and that is why he's saying that he will be pushing for caste census in each and every state in India. And that is when he had said that he had made a comment that he will be fighting for the OBC community from now onwards. But what we see is that the Congress leader Udit Raj has in fact said that, and he is in fact a very vocal leader who speaks about OBC and SC/ST issues. He has gone on to say that Rahul Gandhi, if the OBC people rally behind Rahul Gandhi, he is going to be the next Ambedkar, to which BJP IT cell leader Amit Malviya has in fact also said that this is how the Congress party is planning to downplay Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's legacy, and that Rahul Gandhi should think twice before making such comments, and he should in fact take a look at the history of how.
Absolutely, Anushka. In fact, we have what Udit Raj exactly said. Let's in fact listen in.
आना में डाटा इकट्ठा हुआ है कास्ट सेंसस के साथ में कि SC/ST OBC इन्वेस्टर्स कितने हैं कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में, या ठेकेदारी कहा जाए, एजुकेशन का लेवल, नौकरियां कितनी घरों पे हैं, ये पूरा एक्सरे हुआ है वहाँ की समाज का। वही एक्सरे राहुल गांधी जी पूरे देश के लिए करना चाहते हैं। और राहुल गांधी जी की बात में दूरदर्शिता बहुत है, यानी अगर पिछड़ों को हम ऊपर लाते हैं या दलितों को ऊपर लाते हैं तो हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था बड़ी होगी, बाइंग पावर बढ़ेगी, क्रय शक्ति बढ़ेगी और जो समाज के अंदर असमानता है वह कम होगा। तो राहुल गांधी जी की बात को अगर ओबीसी समझ गया तो वो चल पड़ा, तो राहुल गांधी उनके लिए सेकंड अम्बेडकर सिद्ध होंगे।